Here are your directions for the student survey assignment. The student survey is a Google form, and this survey is different from your About Me projects because in the survey I ask some questions that are a little bit more personal and you might not be willing to share them with the whole group. Many of these questions are optional, so if you are not comfortable sharing them with me, you do not have to, but I ask because they are things that I think might be useful for getting to know you and what your experiences are with online learning and what you have going on outside of school. So, once you click on the assignment in Google Classroom, it'll pull up the student survey. Anything with a red star is a required question. So I do ask you to tell me your name, your class, and your cohort. Anything with without a star is optional, so you do not have to fill it out. I do want to know your birthday, so I can wish you happy birthday if we have class on that day. Your seating preference. I will do the best I can to put you where you want to go, and some questions about if you have a part-time job, if you take care of any family members, and some of your strengths, weaknesses, and what did you like and what did you hate about remote learning last year? And then what are your learning preferences? And then I also ask you for how confident you are with navigating a lot of the web-based resources we are going to be using while you are remote, all the Google apps, and then some other educational platforms like Edpuzzle and Pear Deck, just so I can have an idea of who has used these assignments before and who has done these types of activities before. Please, if you have any questions, send me an email.